This is by far the #1 strategy to sell digital products on Instagram, whether you're selling your own products, affiliate products, maybe you want to just grow an email list. What I'm going to do in this video is basically pull back the curtain. I'm going to be going through specific numbers, how to set this whole thing up, exactly what we're doing at Brands Meet Creators, and how we plan on adding an extra $10,000 a month in monthly recurring revenue every single month with Instagram. So with that, let's jump on in. Now the strategy is actually super straightforward. This is going to be helpful for someone who already has a product, right? We're not going to talk about how to build your own digital product in this. This is just going to be for someone, you already have a product and you're trying to sell it through Instagram. Now this strategy really involves 3 key pieces, right? Creating Instagram Reels, call to action to comments, and then an auto DM feature. So I'm going to pull up our Instagram right now and just show you exactly what this looks like. So our Instagram is pretty small right now. We don't get a ton of views, but even just videos like these, 1,000 views, 3,000 views, we're making a good amount of money from this. And so I'm just going to show you an example right here. So this video, 5 brands that work with creators, even if you don't have a following, and then we flip through a couple of the brands that are on our platform, and then we point the user to read the caption, right? We say apply, we point down, and then in the caption, what we do is we tell them a little bit more, right? We have dozens of brands looking to hire UGC creators every day, more and more. If you want to work with any of these brands, comment the word apply and we'll send over the application. So create a reel, get the viewers to read the caption, and then in the caption, the call to action is going to be to comment. And then what you'll see is we have all of these comments of people saying the word apply, right? And then what happens is they will get auto DM'd using this tool called ManyChat, right? So here's one of the automations that we have set up. It's basically when a user comments something, they say the word apply, UGC, or BMC. These are the different call to actions that we use. If someone says that, then what happens is they will get sent this message right here. So we've sent over 600 of these, almost an 80% click-through rate, which is crazy. Hey, saw your comment on our post. Here's the link to get access. So basically just giving them whatever they asked for, right? And so in this case, it was these UGC opportunities. That's our lead magnet. Someone clicks this, they're sent right to our funnel, right? And then I also include in here our academy. That's our paid monthly community. And so what you'll notice on our Instagram is this is basically all we have been doing, right? If you click on any one of these videos, it's kind of the same thing, right? We found a style that's been working for us. We've been using that. We get someone to comment the word apply in the comments, and then we auto DM them with the link to our lead magnet, which will get someone on our email list. And then on the email list is where we sell the academy. And now let's get into some numbers real quick, because once you find kind of a formula that's working for you, it really just becomes a numbers game, right? And so what we've seen is we've had about 750 sends. And with that, we have sold 20 Academy subscriptions just from Instagram alone in the past month. And so that is a little over 2.5% conversion rate. And so now I can just back into, okay, how many videos do we need? How many views do we need? How many comments do we need if I want to make an extra $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue every single month, right? So $10,000 one month, stack another 10, 20,000 the next 30, 40, 50, right? What are the numbers that we need to hit in order to achieve that? Because after a certain amount, it just becomes a numbers game, right? And so with these numbers that we've achieved right here, what I've backed into is, so our academy is $100 a month. And so if we want to add an extra $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue, we need to sell 100 subscriptions every month. And now using this 2.6% conversion rate, that means we need to get 3,750 comments in a month in order to hit that. And so what we've seen is the ratio of comments to views is about 1%, right? So we would need 375,000 views per month to hit that. And so if we are getting, let's say on average, we're getting 4,000 views per reel, then that just tells me that we need to make 93 reels a month, right? Or about 3 per day. And it's as simple as that, right? It really becomes just a pure numbers game after you have your funnel created, after you have all of your systems set up. And so that's what we're doing this month. We're going to double down on Reels. We're going to be posting about 3 per day. We're going to try to add an extra $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue every single month with this system. And so now if you're wondering, all right, well, what exactly are you sending people to? So right here, our UGC opportunities, that is what I call like our lead magnet. It's our free platform for UGC content creators, and I'll show you exactly what it is. If you go to brandsmeetcreators.com, you'll be able to find this. This is a free platform where brands post UGC opportunities, and as a creator, you go in, you create a profile, and you can apply to any of these. And we have literally hundreds of brands on here. I'll just scroll through a couple right now, and you can go in, you can filter by maybe their budget, you can filter by the different categories, gender, age. And so if you want, so this one right here is the most recent one posted. They're looking for UGC content creators with beards, right? So it's like, oh, if that's me, I would go in here, boom, apply. I would write a quick message, boom, hit the apply button, and then that gets sent over to the brand. And now what kind of makes this different from a lot of these other UGC sites or like influencer marketing sites is if you're a match with that brand, we connect you directly, right? The whole goal of this is to form long-term partnerships with the brand, right? We don't want to kind of like pigeonhole you into just being stuck on the platform, right? I know a lot of platforms are like that where, you know, they don't want any communication outside the platform. We're the opposite. We want to connect you for long-term partnerships. So you can go check that out. Just go to brandsmeetcreators.com. It is completely free. And so that's where we send people initially. When they go through that, they get on our email list. And then on our email list is where we promote our academy. And so our academy is a group of content creators primarily focused on UGC, but also selling digital products and just content creator monetization in general. It's $100 per month, comes with a ton of different trainings. You get 2 live calls every single week, guest speakers, there's software that's included too. And it's really a no-brainer if you're trying to really crack the code in the UGC space. We've helped so many creators get past $10,000 per month. Here's just, some recent wins. Marissa, biggest win yet, $1,700 deal, first viral video, UGC collab with Michaels, big win. Landed 3 opportunities, $3,800 deal, that's awesome. Airbnb deal, bringing UGC to Spain. First paid brand deal ever. 1 week in, and this has already helped me land another Fiverr gig, surpassed my 10K per month goal. So this is the Academy. If you're interested in that, I will leave a link below. And if you're interested in checking out our free platform for UGC creators, I'll leave that below, or you just go to brandsmeetcreators.com. Hope you guys found this one super valuable, and I'll see you guys in the next video.